This is the story of how I found the coolest chairs on Facebook Marketplace ever. My name is Meleah. I'm a furniture artist and a vintage picker, creating space where the super old and sometimes broken may live to tell their story. It all started with this 50s chrome diner's table that I knew would be perfect for our Art Deco breakfast nook. So I needed chairs. And it's the holidays, so I didn't have time to go to estate sales and look like I normally would, so Facebook Marketplace it was. Okay, so my question is it worth it? Is it worth the risk? Hold up, there's a backstory. We found our dream vintage sofa and we got scammed. My husband sent me this couch on Marketplace. I paid her a $150 deposit. She ghosted me on pickup and deleted her profile and made it couldn't help, so I lost $150. So naturally I decided, I think these chairs are totally worth it. I loved everything about them. The slim profile, the design, the colors. Then I mapped it out. He was a straight shot downtown. I could get there in about 30 minutes. Side note, I checked his Facebook Marketplace profile. He had a seller rating that was high. He'd made lots of sales. He had lots of items for sale, and he had decent reviews. How in the world could this happen again? I got back in the truck and pulled up my maps, and turns out I was at the wrong address. But I finally found it, and I wanted to record the whole event, but he actually met me outside with the chair, so it caught me a little off guard, and I headed back home. I hadn't texted my husband since the privacy fence, so he was eagerly waiting at my arrival. Probably just to tell me I told you so. Oh my gosh, they're so perfect. And the moral of the story today is, even though you might get scammed on Facebook Marketplace, if you do your due diligence and don't ignore red flags, it can work out perfectly. To follow along on our Breakfast Nook journey of how we got to this from this, make sure you like, subscribe, follow, all the things.